Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. If you are working in a research company or thinking of starting one and want to boost your credibility, accuracy and client trust, this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about how to implement ISO 20252 in a small research company step by step in a simple and practical way. So let's get right into it. What is ISO 20252? ISO 20252 is an international standard for market, opinion, and social research. It gives a clear framework for how to manage research projects professionally, from planning, data collection, and processing to reporting. For small research companies, following ISO 20252 helps build trust, consistency, and data quality, even if you are working with limited resources. Step-by-step implementation guide. Let's break it down into 5 easy steps you can follow. Step 1. Understand the standard. Start by getting familiar with the ISO 20252 document. Focus on key sections like project management, sampling, data collection, and processing. You don't have to implement everything at once. Choose what's most relevant to your company's services. Step 2. Assess your current processes. Take a look at how you currently handle research projects. Do you have standard procedures for planning and executing projects? Are your data collection and storage methods secure and reliable? Do you have proper documentation? This gap analysis helps you identify where you need to improve to meet ISO 20252 requirements. Step 3. Develop SOPs and templates. Now start developing simple standard operating procedures for each stage of your work. This can include project proposal formats, sampling plans, interviewer training guides, data validation procedures, reporting templates. These documents will bring structure to your work and help you meet ISO requirements. Step 4. Train your team. Your team doesn't need to be ISO experts, but they should understand the basics. Hold a training session on your new procedures, explain the importance of quality and ethics in research, and encourage everyone to follow the system. Step 5. Monitor and improve. Once everything is in place, monitor how your team is following the processes. Collect feedback, do internal audits, and make improvements regularly. Remember, ISO 20252 is all about continuous improvement. Bonus tips. Start small. Implement the most critical parts first. Use digital tools to manage documentation and data securely. Assign a quality coordinator even if it's a part-time role. Consider working with a consultant or getting certified once you are ready. Even if you don't go for formal certification, following ISO 20252 can still give your company a huge advantage. So that's how a small research company can implement ISO 20252. One step at a time. It's not about being perfect on day one. It's about building a professional and reliable system that grows with you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comments below, do you want a full video on how to create SOPs for ISO 20252? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.